What's going on, guys? Eric Pate here. So today I'm going to unbox something that I have bought, and I ordered it last Saturday, and 5 days later, here it is. No, I did not order a giant box of Cheez-Its. I just simply go to Walmart, just paid $2 or $3 for it. So you could, and with me shaking the box around, you could tell there's not Cheez-Its. So let's go ahead and unbox. So first things first is get a sharp tool or whatever, something sharp, like your fingernails. Well, I just try and tempt it. My other camera. It's been a while since I charged my other camera, and it just died on me. So it died while I was making the. It died just as I went to go cut it. So he said I did attempt. So like I said, take your steak knife or whatever object, and you're gonna cut where you can, and then as well also. Just need someone to prop up my phone. But yeah, so you're gonna, and then you're kind of once you get enough tape cut, you can just pop it. I know what. I can see the top of one already. So there's supposed to be two of them in here. So let's go and pull out the first one. Gee, this is one of the alarms I have ordered. So I'm trying to get the model here. Don't know what model it is. So I'm just trying to look at it here. LFHSK is what this model is. No, I cannot demonstrate it because I need a pull station and a copper wire. And I don't have any of those, and I should have one hopefully by next weekend. I'll be using my other camera for that, for a demonstration after I wire everything up. So that's the first fire alarm. And then I did buy and then the other fire alarm I got is this thing right here. If I can get the model here. It looks like a Moti CB strobe, but I know it's a Edwards Siga. No, I know it's an Edwards fire alarm. I'm just trying to get the model here. I don't see a model. And that's what these are the two products I have bought. Comparison between them two, obviously this one's bigger. And I should have ordered the smaller one because the guy was also supposed to send me a pull station. And I don't know which is positive, which is negative on this, so. Okay, I see it now. Alright. And once I get a copper wire and a pull station, I will demonstrate these two. I just need a copper wire and a pull station. And I'll demonstrate these two. Reason for the copper wire. You also can, real quick, while I'm on the topic, this is an old portable DVD player cord I had. So mine broke, by the way, and it needs to be at least 9 volt. And so I'm gonna cut off the end or something, and then put the negative side. I think you put the negative side on the fire alarm of the cord, and then put the positive side on the actual alarm. So yes, I have bought a couple fire alarms, and I've actually this is actually the start of my collection. So I don't know where I'm gonna put them until I can use them. I kind of have an idea where I kind of want to put them. I'm testing. So I'm gonna test this one first, whenever I do get a pull station. When I do test fire alarms until I get another pull station, I am gonna use the same pull station each time. So, yeah. That would do it. Like, sub, comment, favorite. Nice, could be awesome. Eric Pate, don't know hate. See you later. See you guys later.